Item 3, consider approving a contract between Mesa County and CRW Inc. for the roof replacement at the Criminal Justice Powell Building in the amount of $144,544 and authorize the chair to sign. Vita Galvin, Facilities Project Manager, presenting.
Good morning, Commissioners. I'm Beto Galvan, Project Manager with Mesa County Facilities. I'm here to present a roof replacement project. This is for the Powell Building, which is part of the Criminal Justice Service Department. This roof has had significant leaks, making it a priority for replacement. It's original to the building. We went on a national bid search and we chose the best value for Mesa County, but we were able to choose a local roofing company as well. The duration for this project is scheduled between 4 to 6 weeks. Is there any questions?
Commissioners, do you have any questions or comments?
No questions. Thank you.
Thank you.
I have no questions.
All right. Anybody in the audience have any questions or comments on this item? Okay, seeing none, I will entertain a motion to approve the item as published.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
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 Motion carries 3-0.